Welcome back. Number 5, eh?
Well now, so you managed to make it this far.
Who are you?
An excellent question. I'm the #1 Hollywood action star, Monkey Red. Such power, such agility. Yes, I am indeed an entirely new breed of action star. My kung fu is much, much greater than yours.
Oh, yeah? We'll see about that!
Begin battle. This place will be your grave. This place will be your grave. You're soft. Be your grave. You're soft. Much spin. I've just been toying with you up to now. Come on, if you really think you can beat me. You're soft. This place will be your grave.
You got a guy from Naruto's haircut and his personality.
This place will be your grave. Be your grave.
Aww!
Okay, now I'm gonna get serious. Come on up here. That is, if you're brave enough. Begin battle. Grasshopper. This place will be your grave. This place will be your grave.
Hoyo!
Your kung fu is greater than mine.
Jackpot!
Well, that was just awesome.
Tomoki, all of the Freaky Monkey 5 have been defeated!
Well, it seems that we'll have to take things to the next level.
Are your preparations complete?
Well, of course, Mr. Spectre. I wouldn't say such things if they weren't.
You must be pretty tired, eh? All that Monkey Red did was go farting all over the place. A leader? Him? He's incompetent. And there you are. The Freaky Monkey 5 won't be making any more broadcasts now. All you have left is the stage with Dr. Tomoki in charge. Take one more deep breath and go for it.
So there you have it. Next time, we